Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make cafe style sandwich recipe. The filling is creamy and crispy and the taste is sweet and spicy. It's a fantastic combination of ingredients. So let's make cafe style sandwich. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes, 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, 2 chopped tomatoes, chopped coriander, chaat masala and salt to taste. Mix it well till all the ingredients get together completely. Now sandwich stuffing is ready. Take 2 slices of sandwich bread. Apply butter on the 2 slices. Now we will spoon the sandwich chutney. And then spread potato mixture on 2 slices. The sandwich is almost ready. Cover it with other slice. Now apply butter on the top side. Now we are going to prepare veg cheese sandwich. For this we are going to take 2 slices of sandwich bread. Spread butter on 2 slices. Spread sandwich chutney after this. Then keep onions, and then cheese slice. Put cucumbers, then tomatoes. You can add more vegetables if you like. Cover it with other slice. Now spread butter on top side. Spread the butter as you require. Heat the tawa and roast sandwich on tawa. Now spread butter on the other side. Roast sandwich for 2 minutes in low flame. The sandwich is roasted as required. Now roast another cheesy sandwich. Spread butter on other side. Roast sandwich for 2 minutes in low flame. It is looking more crispier. So the sandwich is ready. It is looking really crispier and tasty. Well roasted from inside. Serve it with tea, or you can have it if you as your evening snacks. Hope you like the recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.